Hello, welcome viewers and listeners to another of Squall's product review. Today I've got a surprise. Batman Fluxx. Unboxing and first playthrough with my associate Brollycloud here. Okay, so Batman Fluxx has Batman and Robin on the back, and it has three cards: the Joker, which is a creeper, the Batmobile, which is a keeper, and the goal. The Joker gets away with the Joker and the Batmobile. Okay, the basic rules are easy: draw one, play one, but then pow, whack, boom. The rules change with new action cards and goal cards introduced at every turn. Have fun with the dynamic duo and friends in this game that's never the same twice. Contents: 100 cards and instructions, 2 to 6 players, ages 8 through A. It takes 5 to 30 minutes. And it's DC Comics. Oh, with Cryptozoic is part of it. Alright. And Looney Labs. And then on the side has Miss Pamela Isley, also known as Poison Ivy. Which I'm glad they put her on the side. Ooh. And then the top has an advertisement for the new Batman Adventures. Which, if you remember growing up with Batman Superman Adventures, you recognize that symbol. Right, so knife this. It's trash. Alright, so brand new opening. And we got a catalog, which is trash, and we got how to play. And I'm going to pull out how to play in case we have a discrepancy with the card rules, which this should be able to answer. Okay, so they're basically the same, so I'll keep them out anyway. Whatever. Put it over here. Stop being bad at your show, Squall. Okay. Got the basic rules. And shuffle the action cards together. I will let Brollycloud go first. Shuffling the wrong way this time.
Yeah, don't pull a Brollycloud.
Yeah. Also, I have good news for audience. I have a Steam account now. So if you want to get access to my Steam and see what I've been playing, and I'm also interested in playing with other people, my Steam account is Squall Windshade. And when you're searching for me, you have to put that in exactly.
All caps.
Yes, all caps. Although it'll show up all lowercase. Or vice versa, I don't know. Alright, so do one more shuffle and we're ready to go. Alright, so draw 3. Any creepers immediately have to be played.
You did.
Ooh, and we have a new card type.
I like the border on the cards. Something new. Got the little bat symbol on the left-hand side border.
Yeah, I like these cards in my hand.
Okay.
There are no creepers. Alright, so draw one, play one.
We'll do draw 3.
Okay, so you draw two more.
Your turn.
Alright, so one, two, three. Oh, creeper, poison ivy. Immediately place and redraw. No one can win if you have this unless the goal requires a villain. Alright.
So we got new types of cards.
Yeah. I know.
I did not know that.
I knew that.
Okay.
Alright, I will play the goal. Green with villainy. Requires poison ivy and the Riddler.
Okay.
And that is one play. So your turn.
Creeper.
No one can win. Okay.
Nothing special. Okay.
Yep.
What's poison ivy do? What's that text down there?
That says the same thing. I think they all say the same thing.
Well, I know, like in normal, you know, you got war and peace, you got death
Yeah.
and taxes that
Yeah.
cancel each other out. I didn't know if any of these did that.
There might be keepers that cancel those out.
All right, I'll change the goal to black tie bad guys, Penguin and Two-Face.
Okay. Draw three. Two. Three. Okay. Alright, I'll play Robin. Once during my turn, I can discard any villain. I will discard Poison Ivy.
Any what?
Villain.
Any villain? Nice.
Yes.
I imagine Poison Ivy counts as a villain, yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Alright, I'm going to play. See if I got this right. Alright, I'm going to play Zap a card, and I am taking Robin. It's choose any card and play anywhere on the table, unless and add it to your hand unless it's a creeper, in which case you place it in front of you.
Oh, add it to your hand?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
And that was my one action.
Hey, Mike. One, two, three. Okay. It's Batman Fluxx. It's another version of these other card games that me and him play. Alright. The one rule card that I like from regular show. Play all but one.
I don't mind that. It's not such a bad card.
Alright. I'll play Keeper the Bat Signal. During your turn, you can exchange this for Batman if someone else has him in play. I will change out draw 3 for draw 5, which means that I draw 2 more cards. Oh, I don't like either of those. Okay. But I'm probably going to have to play them. I'm going to play discard and draw. Discard my entire hand, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
And then draw 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, well, I got the Batcave. I've got Bruce Wayne. I'm going to Get On With It, which means before your final play, if you were not empty-handed, you may discard your entire hand and draw 3 cards. Return ends immediately. And then I will play Gold Mill. Once during your turn, discard as many of your gold cards as you choose and draw that many cards.
So that specifically says if you're not empty-handed.
Yeah, if you're not empty-handed.
The other one didn't say that.
Oh.
The one in the regular show, it never said if you're not empty-handed.
I don't know.
Well, I'm glad it says that so we can clear it up.
I will Gold Mill all 3 of these keepers.
Isn't Gold Mill just goals?
Oh, yeah, it is. You're right. The keeper thing is a different thing. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, I have 2 goals. So I draw 2 cards. Alright. And then I will draw 3, play 2 of them. 1, 2, 3. Well, I definitely will play this keeper. Back of your add 1 to your draw, 1 to your play, 1 to your hand limit, and 1 to your keeper limit. And I will play steal something. I will steal a Two-Face. Okay, so I add 1 to my draw, so I draw another card. I add 1 to my play, which is play off 2. And no hand limit, no keeper limit. And I'll change play all but 1 to play 4.
And that means that's your last play.
That is my last play.
Okay. Batgirl and Robin, which have the same ability. Once during your turn, you can discard any villain.
Okay. And 2 more plays.
Alright, I'm going to use the secondary ability on Surprise. It's a trap.
Other players cannot play surprises during your turn. Oh, during my turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is all players must choose and discard 1 card while I draw 2.
Oh, choosing let's simplify.
And that was my 3rd one. Damn it. Fucking Catwoman.
You can discard her.
Really?
And there you go.
Really? You didn't shuffle too well. I just drew 3 creepers in a row. You must not have shuffled 2 off.
It's during your turn, you can discard any villain.
Yeah, and I can do that twice. Because each one can do it.
Okay, so you can only discard one villain per keeper.
I'd imagine so. I mean, this card says once, this card says once. I'd imagine it's one individually.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm going to discard Penguin and Mr. Freeze from those 2 abilities. So I still got 1 thing left. Where is it? There we go. No, that's not it. Yeah, okay. Rules reset.
Okay.
And that was my last play. Your turn.
Alright. Draw one and play one. Well, I will change that to play all.
Huh, okay.
And then. Oh. I actually draw 2 and play 2, which.
Because of the back computer.
Yeah, the back computer. Okay. Okay. That's okay, I like that. Alright, I'm playing a new rule. Let's keep doing that. Okay. When this rule is played, choose a discarded action to place with it. Which I believe action is a new rule? Yeah, okay. Yeah, because this becomes a new free action each player can use once during their turn. So that's an action. I'm putting Get On With It back out there. And then I'm getting on with it. Discard my hand, draw 3 cards. Okay, and then it's your turn.
Alright, so I only draw 1, right?
Draw 1, yep.
And then how does the let's keep doing that work?
Oh, it just copies Get On With It.
So okay, so you picked what it permanently does.
Yeah. So actually,
Okay.
we can just put that over that to signify that that's what that is.
All right. First, I'm going to use Batgirl's ability and get rid of Catwoman.
Okay.
And then I'm going to use Exchange Keepers, and I'm going to take giving you Batgirl and giving me the Batcave.
The Batcave. Okay.
And then I just won to the Batcave.
Yep. Batcave and Batman and Robin. All right.
That was good.
So let's see what other cards are in here. I just drew the rule that I like.
Yeah, get on with it.
No, that one. I like that one a lot better. Egads, you make to play the top card of the deck. There's double agenda. There's an Ivy. Oh, Bane's in here. There's Bane.
Oh yeah, there's the Keeper Bane. This has got a lot more creepers in it than most Fluxx.
Yeah, there's the Batmobile. You may discard this to take an extra turn after the current turn. There's Wayne Manor. Harley. Elsewhere in Gotham City takes instant effect. Building creepers held by other players do not prevent you from winning. Okay. Batman Family.
Nightwing's not in this game?
The Joker. No.
That's gay.
Why? This isn't his. This isn't around
Because
his time
Nightwing
period.
comes and helps a lot.
Nightwing is Robin before Robin grows up.
Yeah, but if you
That's
look
the
at
thing.
this particular Robin,
Yeah, that's the.
no, that's not
Dick
that.
Grayson.
The Dick Grayson is the yellow and green, the old costume. That's Tim Drake. Tim Drake wore the red and black.
I don't know. The bank adds 2 to draw. There's Scratch Something, which is in the other ones. There's Batman.
Batman.
Not your prob. When another player draws and receives a creeper, it goes in front of the player of your choice. Or during your turn, move a creeper from one player to another. Batman Cups, you can hide one villain under this card.
Yeah.
That's cool. Batman logo bonus takes instant effect. Draw an extra card during your turn if you are wearing some sort of garment that features a Batman logo.
Wow. Okay.
That's even worse than the one card that makes
Cartoon
you speak.
talk?
Yeah, cartoon voices. Back to your corner. Robin and 3 villains in front of you. Mix it all up, which is in the other games.
I want to see what the Arkham Asylum rule is.
Alfred, just stop that. Cancel an action. Stay Lily Manor. Recycling. Okay, there's the one that I was thinking of, the keepers.
And it lives in there, so that's good.
That's Batarang. Once during your turn, you may put this back in your hand to take any card out of the discard pile and place it atop the draw pile.
That's cool.
So your terminal, Batcave plus Batmobile. There's a hand limit. Crime Spree, Bat Signal plus 5 or more villains on the table.
Wow.
Trash and Duel. Rogue's Gallery, any 4 villains. There's Alfred. Pennyworth. Give him at 1. He's a billionaire. Bruce Wayne plus the bank. Jackpot, draw 3 extra cards.
Good old Jackpot.
He left us a signal. Commissioner Gordon plus the Bat Signal. There's Commissioner Gordon. No special abilities. Secretly his daughter.
Barbara Gordon, yeah.
Keeper limit 4. Arkham
There
Asylum.
it is.
Place to put villains. Anytime a villain gets discarded, it is instead placed under this card. It is considered out of play. If this rule goes away, the villains get redistributed evenly.
That's not bad. I like that.
Crime happens. Once during your turn, if you have a villain, you can steal another player's keeper.
I really like that.
Yeah, that's a cool one. And keeper limit 3. Alright.
Some good cards in this.
Yeah, it mixes it up a little bit more.
Sure
And
does.
plus we can add other cards from the other games to it. Other rules. I really like to play all plus one, or play all but one.
Yeah.
And I'm glad they kept getting on with it in here.
I'm not.
I like that one.
I hate that one.
What's the other
Teach
one?
his own.
Yeah, you hate.
Recycling? Oh, random.
Yeah, first play random.
That's not in
That's not in here.
Good.
I'll put it in here.
No. What the heck? No first play random. So is this video done?
Alright, yep, this video. So thank you for watching this game of Batman Fluxx. I might be recording other videos with it, I don't know. But anyway, so along with my good news, with Steam, I also got a Twitch TV account, which is Twitch TV/SquallShade. So if you want to catch me on there, I stream sometimes. I do watch a lot of other streamers. I follow a lot of streamers, a lot of the guys I watch on YouTube. So anyway, this is
Brollycloud.
and Squall signing off. Take care and have a great day.